In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I'm setting fence posts using Quickrete Fast setting concrete mix. There are many different types of posts on the market. Today we're using a 4x4 by 8 foot. We're also going to be securing this in the ground using this Quickrete Fast setting concrete. You could also tamp this down. You can use some of that expanding foam stuff, which doesn't really hold the post very well. Or you can pre-mix this concrete and then pour it in. Today we're going to be dry pouring this concrete into the ground, and then we're going to be adding water on top of this. If you're in an area that's really dry and doesn't have a lot of moisture content in the soil, don't do this method, just mix it first and pour it in. But if you're in an area where you do have a lot of moisture content in the soil, this method works just fine for you. We've set over 200 posts this way. They're all still in the ground, they're all solid, and I've been really happy with how well the fence has turned out using this method. First thing you need to do is get your post hole dug and drop your fence post in. Next, you need to get a willing helper. My wife is off camera here, she's going to be helping me today. You need to get a square so you can know that your post is square. Have a string line so you know where your post has to be. Have your handy assistant hold the post square, pour the concrete in, add the water, and your post is set. What I like about this Quickrete concrete is you don't have to put braces up to hold it in place. Simply get it square when it's dry, add the water, make sure it's still square, and this stuff starts setting so fast that you don't need to do anything else. Maybe come back and check it after a couple of minutes, it'll still be good. So you don't have to worry about adding extra steps in here. Makes it really easy. And don't worry about this falling out or the concrete not hardening. Over time, it's going to suck up the moisture that's around it in the ground, and the concrete is just going to be hard, just like it would be if you'd mixed it beforehand. I like to pour both bags in and then pour all the water in on top. You could pour one bag in, pour the water in, pour another bag in, and the water. But I've had no problems pouring both bags in, pouring the water in on top, and calling it a day. So that's how I set these fence posts using this Quickrete concrete mix. Worked out really well. It's a really fast method to set your fence posts in the ground. It's secure. So if you did like this video and you want to see more DIY content around the home, you should check out this video here next.